Welcome back to my channel. We are studying cell biology. Today topic is Golgi apparatus. What is Golgi apparatus? Who discovered it and other functions that it perform, how it is necessary for the cell. So all these things we study today in this lecture. So first of all, discovery. The Golgi apparatus was discovered by the Golgi in 1898. These are their structure. These are the stalks of flattened membranes bounded by sacs. These stalks of flattened membranes bounded by sacs, these are called cisternae. These cisternae, these consist of, the Golgi apparatus consists of interconnected tubules. Also, these tubules are interconnected and also connected with the central stalk to form complex called as Golgi complex. These are associated. These membranes, these Golgi apparatus is associated with the vesicles to form a complex called as Golgi complex. Now, Golgi complex. This Golgi complex has two faces. One is called as outer face, is called as forming face. Other is called as inner face, called as, or concave face, called as maturing face. Now, how Golgi works? It is associated. Golgi is associated with the secretions. These secretions are formed on the ribosomes. Then these secretions from ribosomes come into the endoplasmic reticulum. From endoplasmic reticulum, these secretions are come into the Golgi, where these are packed into the final product. Then these secretions move out of the cell. Now we discuss about the different proteins, digestive proteins that are found in mammals or in the pancreas of the mammals in form of granules. These secretions that are formed in form of the granules are formed on the Golgi. Other function of the Golgi is to modify the products. Other function of the Golgi is to modify the products, such as they modify the lipids and proteins by adding the carbohydrates, and converts lipids into the glycolipids and proteins into the glycoproteins and form the conjugated molecules. Finally, Golgi apparatus thought to be moving from outer to the inner face, that is from convex to concave phase, or from forming to maturing phase. Thank you for watching.